Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Anchor login issues, Spotify account errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing issues logging into your Anchor account for Spotify, don't worry. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, verify your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for successful logins. Next, ensure that you are using the correct email address and password. Double-check for any spelling errors or unintended spaces. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After resetting your password, try logging in again with your new credentials. If you're still having trouble, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any stored data that may be causing conflicts. If you're using the Anchor app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Visit your device's app store to check for updates. If the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Anchor app. This process can resolve potential software glitches. Check to see if Anchor is experiencing any service outages. You can visit their official social media pages or status websites for updates. If you're logging in with Spotify, ensure that your Spotify account is active and working properly. Attempt to log in directly on the Spotify website. If all else fails, reach out to Anchor's support team. Provide them with detailed information about your issue for a quicker resolution. Following these steps can help you troubleshoot and fix Anchor login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.